Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm really glad you're here. So, have you ever thought about making butter at home? Not buying, not unwrapping, but actually making it yourself from something as simple as fresh cream. It feels almost magical. One ingredient, a little patience, and a quiet transformation right before your eyes. It begins by whipping cream into a bowl and letting the whisk do its work. In a moment, butter is born. The liquid left behind is buttermilk, fresh and useful in its own way. And the butter, rich, soft, and delicate, is ready to be gathered. Rinse it gently in cold water, pressing and folding it together. This clears away the traces of buttermilk and gives the butter a clean, pure taste. And just like that, something ordinary becomes something special. Because making butter at home isn't just about food. It's about watching transformation happen with your own hands. Simple, real, homemade. You can leave it just like that or add a pinch of salt. Maybe shape it into something beautiful. Because sometimes the most beautiful and satisfying things are the ones we make ourselves. Thank you for watching this video, and bye. See you in my next one.